Apple just dropped iOS 26, and it's one of the biggest iPhone updates we've seen in years. The new liquid glass design changes the entire look of iOS, and today I'll break down the top features you need to know. Liquid glass UI. Translucent glass-like menus, rounded corners, and motion-reactive effects across the system. Messages upgrade. Polls and chats, custom backgrounds, and better group chat indicators. Phone app. New call screening and hold assist, so no more listening to hold music. Live translation. Apple Intelligence now powers live translation and smarter suggestions system-wide. Games app. All your gaming features now live in one place. Lock screen and widgets. More placement freedom and cleaner icons. Beautiful new design, smarter AI features, and better communication tools. High transparency can hurt legibility, and older devices may see performance or battery issues. That's iOS 26 in a nutshell, a stunning new look with powerful features, but not without trade-offs. Are you excited to upgrade or sticking with the old style? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more quick updates.